Hi, I'm David and I'm from team number 5 and we are going to talk about the hydrogen chloride. The hydrogen chloride is a very strong and corrosive acid. The formula of this compound is HCl, which is one of hydrogen and one of chlorine. The most common names of this compound are hydrochloric acid, muriatic acid, and the spirit of salt.
Hi, my name is Roberta, and today I'm going to explain you the number of elements, the chemical function, and the classification according to the type of bond of the hydrogen chloride. First, the type of bond. It is formed by a non-metal, that is the hydrogen, and the halogen, that is the chlorine. Both share electrons, but chlorine is more electronegative, so for that reason, the hydrogen chloride is an polar covalent bond. Now, the hydrogen chlorine have two elements. The first one is the hydrogen and the second one is the chlorine. And last but not least, the chemical function is an acid. Because when the hydrogen chloride dissolves in water, the hydrogen chlorine forms an hydrochloric acid. So for that reason, it becomes an acid. And that's all.
So hydrochloric acid can be made in a few ways. One way is to directly mix hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Another common method involves reacting chloride salt, like sodium chloride, with a strong acid such as sulfuric acid. This reaction produces hydrochloric acid. Finally, hydrochloric acid is created as a byproduct during other industrial chemical processes. For example, when making certain organic chemicals.
The uses of chloric acid is steel production and quickling of metal surface to remove impurities. In the oil and gas industry, it accelerates extraction because it helps to dissolve mineral deposits. It also adds swimming pools and needed pH, but its corrosive nature thus requires proper care and protection. Chloric acid has diverse applications, so the most common uses in industry and households. The applications of chloric acid are in the steel production, in the plating process specifically because it involves this removal of rust, scale, and the other impurities from the iron or steel surface. Then, in the petroleum industry, it's an important tool of oil well acidation, which is a method of oil and gas and extraction enhancement. Then, in the PVC production, chloric acid is an important regained in the production of organic compound during the PVC. Then, in the water treatment, chloric acid plays a major role in the water treatment processes in municipal and industrial processes in the terms of pH adjustment. In the food and beverage industry, chloric acid is one of the most widely applied chemicals. It is used mainly in an acid flavor enhancer and preservative. Its application is the production of high fructose corn syrup and common sweetener of soft drinks and processed foods is also considerable. In the domestic applications are in the swimming pools, in the maintenance, is very important the chloric acid. Also in the cleaning products, chloric acid is one of the active ingredients in the most cleaning products available in the market. Then in the leather processing, chloric acid plays a significant role in the preparing dyes in the tanning process of leather industry. In the environment and health effects, the chloric acid can cause environmental harm if not managed well. If it splits into the water bodies, pH levels are affected and alter aquatic ecosystems. For an individual, exposure will result in an irritation to respiratory system, chemical burns, and eye damage. It is thus of prime importance that appropriate control and neutralizing measures are practiced. Chloric acid is an important part of the modern industry and daily usage. It has everything that has been used from manufacturing steel to the oil refining and food processing to mere pool maintenance. Its pH adjustment, surface cleaning, or catalyzation and chemical process make it prime necessary for main industries.
Josue, chemical compounds are very important in our life because they form part of almost everything. We are made of chemical compounds, or vital processes are made of chemical compounds. The exchange of nutrients, oxygen, um, things such as a balloon is made of chemical compounds, a pencil is made of chemical compounds. Almost everything or everything is made of chemical compounds.